It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and
Hey guys, it's she to the I to Z Ellie and welcome back to my channel. Today in today's video we are going to be filming what I got for Christmas.
hi.
In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all the Christmas gifts I got for Christmas. In last year's video, and if you guys haven't seen my previous videos of Christmas, please go watch those. But I'm sorry for posting this one super late. It's because I have been feeling under the weather. In last year's video, I categorized my gifts by family, friends, and different sides of my family. So like my dad's family and my mom's. I'm just going to do whatever gift is closest to me and then who got it for me, and that's it. We're not going to categorize anything. The first gift that I want to show you guys is one from my brother's friend. Let's do some math. Some girl math. Desmond has a friend who's a girl in 5th grade, and that girl has a little brother in Killian's class, which is my little brother, and they're both friends. On top of that, they have an older brother who's a freshman who goes to my school, but the little boy, little girl, and the older boy's mom is friends with my mom. But anyways, they got us gifts and we got their kids gifts. The little daughter, she chose out my gift. The first gift she got me was a blanket, and it has a flower pattern, so it has like different types of flowers, and I love it so much, and now it's like my throw blanket. And then she also got me a perfume. It's called Pink Suede. Okay, it's called Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath and Body Works, and I love it, and it smells super good. Ugh, I've been using it like every day. So thank you so much to your whole family for giving us gifts. I really do appreciate it and love my gift. The second gift is a gift that I got before Christmas, but it was meant for Christmas. It's a Stitch plushie. I'm not quite sure if it's Squishmallow, but it looks like it, but I'm not gonna say it is one because I don't want to give you guys false information. But it's super squishy and super fluffy, and I just put it to wash, so it's like extra fluffy. It's like really fluffy. It got really fluffed up, and I love it so much, and I've been sleeping with it every day. It's gonna be right here for the rest of the video. Okay, the next gift is this beautiful bag. Okay, so this gift is a gift from my mom and dad. So thank you so much, mom and dad. If you guys haven't seen my London and Paris vlogs, you guys should watch that. And if you guys haven't seen my packing vlogs, you guys should watch that too. I'm planning on going to a trip to Mexico. My mom got me this for the trip, a jewelry travel container. So like this little cube, you could move them and they could be like in different areas if you wanted a smaller or bigger area. So it has big sections, and then it has these like 4 movable sliders, and then up here it has this for your bracelets, and then it has a zipper right here, and then it also has another divider. So it'll definitely match my set, and this is like the one I really wanted. So thank you, mom and dad. Okay, the next gift is from my friends. I put like, I'll pick that up. In this bag, I tried to separate all my gifts by who got it for me. I got a Squishmallow from my friend Julian. I painted Julian a Taylor Swift poster, and I'll put the picture right here. Not of my painting, but of the poster, because I never took a picture of the painting. That I recreated it on a canvas and then gave it to Julian because he's a big Swiftie. And then he gave me a whole bag of gifts. So in the bag, he got me a Squishmallow. That was one of the gifts. He got me also this bath bomb. It's from Modern Expression. It's called Sweet Winter Berry, and I love bath bombs. It smells good from the wrapper, to be honest, and I really like it. And it's in this diamond shaped. Then the next thing that he got me was, this is a vanilla peppermint lip balm, and it's in like this gingerbread container. Like it looks like a little gingerbread man, and it's so cute, and I can't wait to open this already and use it. He also got me this vanilla peppermint hand lotion from Modern Expressions. Oh, it actually feels really nice. Julian also got me Milani Fruit Fetish Passion Fruit Coconut Lip Oil, and it's so freaking good. It's so good, and I use it all the time. I don't like chocolate. I'm very specific when it comes to chocolate. I like Kit Kats, Snickers. He got me like this candy cane that was full of Kit Kats. Thank you so much, Julian, and I really love my gifts, so thank you. you. The next gift that I got from a friend was my friend Victoria. She gave me this hot chocolate mix, and this smells so good. We're gonna try this, but thank you so much. And then with this, she gave me this mug, and guys, I love this mug. This mug is like my favorite thing ever. It's this mug. It's handcrafted and painted, which is crazy, but it's this mug and it has like sunflowers on it. It's super cute and I love it so much. So thank you so much to Victoria. I love my gifts. And then the last gift that I got from a friend, my friend Natalia. So she got me like a bookish gift. So she got me this chocolate. It's from Raffaello. She got me this peppermint EOS lip balm, and then she got me this Adobe pen, and it's like a color changing pen, and I really like it so I could annotate my books. Me and her like to paint a lot, and she got me this little like bookmark. She made it for me. I'll put a picture right here because I'm currently using it for a book I'm reading. Thank you, Natalia, for all my gifts. Okay, the next gift that we have is this bag here. I separated all the gifts, like I said. A few family members from my dad's side. From my dad's brother. I don't like to call him uncle because we're like the same age. He's like 2 years older than me. I love K-pop, and my favorite K-pop boy band is Stray Kids. So he got me, like, I'm not super crazy about K-pop that I buy like every merch that they give out. So he got me these books. One from BTS because I like BTS too. So the first one he got me was Love Yourself. This one's from BTS, and it's like the reflective, like color changing one. It comes with the CD, and then it comes with stickers, and then photos of the members, and then it comes with also the notes. It comes with another CD in the back, so I need to figure out what that is. And then on the back of the book, it tells you what songs are on the CD. It has like 16 songs, and then the second one, it has 8 songs. So that is crazy. Thank you so much. And then the second gift that he got me, so the second one is the one from Stray Kids. I love Stray Kids. Okay, so you open it, but look at that. He told me the reason he bought this one is because of the cover. So inside is photos of the members, and then the CD is the exact same as the book, and it's so beautiful. Then it came with a poster. Oh my god! Oh my god, I love my life. It came with some postcards. It came with like this like little poster. It came with stickers, and then it came with 3 cards. And if you know Stray Kids, it came with Bangchan, which is like my number one. It came with Han, and then it came with Sungmin. So it came with all 3 of them. So I'm very happy. And then it also came with this book of more pictures of the bandmates. Thank you so much, Eric. I love my gift. My tia Carmen got me this whole, she gave me this bag, and in the bag she got me foot mask. She gave me this lavender celebration set. So it's whipped soap, sugar cube scrubs, and I love that so much. I'm gonna open it now because I've been waiting forever. Oh my god, like, I don't know if you could see, but it's literally like whipped cream. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at that. It literally looks so good. I can't wait to use this, to be honest. Exfoliation. She got me shea butter and aloe sugar cubes, but they're lavender scented. Oh my god, it's like the jelly-like consistency. Not jelly-like, they're really hard, but they look jelly-like. But look at that. It looks so nice. So thank you so much. I love this. But she got me more. She got me some fuzzy socks. These are white fuzzy socks. She gave me Bath & Body Works Cozy Evening Aloe Vitamin E Shower Gel. I haven't opened or smelled anything because I wanted my reactions to be like real. And this smells really good. You want the chocolate?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give Paulina my chocolates because I don't like. She got me this NARS bronzing powder. I've heard of this from my cousins because they like to do makeup a lot. They do more makeup than me, and I don't know how to do makeup, to be quite honest. I only know how to do the makeup I have on. That's such a tiny bronzer. That is so cute. This is like a travel size bronzer. And then she got me this glossy balm from Fenty Beauty in the shade Fenty Glow. Wait, I've heard of this. Thank you. And then she got me more stuff, so I'm gonna keep saying thank you for a while. Patchology Serving Chilled Bubbly Brightening Face Mask. Then she got me another bath bomb. She got me this lavender bath bomb from the soap store. Then she told me she got this soap from Oregon. But wait, this is cute. Eucalyptus spearmint. And then she got me this Twisted Peppermint Shea Butter Cleansing Bar from Bath & Body. And it smells so good. Like, you could smell it like with the packaging on it. It smells so good. And I can't wait to use this. So I'm pretty sure that's all the gifts she got me. So thank you so much. For my Tia Nancy, she got me this mini necklace. And then she also got me this Honolulu Jewelry Company plaid print earrings. Thank you so much. My brother Killian gave me this, and it's Toothless from How to Train a Dragon. I love that movie, so he gave me this Build-A-Bear one, and it's literally so cute because it shows his little tail where it has like where he has the mechanical part of his tail and his actual fin. Thank you, Killian, my little brother. And then from my grandpa, we got to see him before Christmas. He got me this blue bag, and it's like the over-the-shoulder bag, and it's super cute. Blue, it's like this royal blue. I don't know if you guys could see it. And then the front is just like full of all this silverness. It's so cool, and I love it. So thank you, Grandpa. This backpack is from OSPREY. And this is from my mom and dad because we're gonna go to Mexico. So this is from my grandma, and it's a Lululemon fluffy jacket, and it's super cute. It's like those jackets that go only halfway, and then it has like actual pockets. Thank you, Grandma. This Carhartt jacket. I love Carhartt, and I got a Carhartt jacket from my Nana and my Grandpa Teddy. I love it so much. Like, it's so freaking warm and it's so puffy. And one thing about me, I love oversized clothing. I love living like a marshmallow during the winter. So I got this Carhartt black jacket, and it matches with my brother because me and my brother got the exact same one. So thank you, Nana and Teddy. My grandma got me all these gifts. We're gonna go through it. So in this bag we have this North Face lavender color sweater, and it's like wool. I don't know if that's the right word, and it's super cute and I love it. And then she got me this sweater from North Face, and it has a hoodie, and it zips all halfway as well, and it has pockets, but you could zip up the pockets. Look at the print too. It screams fall. She got me this black Under Armour workout sweater, a Calvin Klein sweater. It's like in this pink color. And then she got me these tights from Under Armour. They're super cute. I love this color. And then she got me this Calvin Klein purple long sleeve, Nike boot teal, and like this neon green color. The last gift she got me is a pair of Uggs. Okay, she got me these Uggs, and they're super cute because they have a little bow in the back. It's in this dark gray color, and it has a little bit of a platform on it. The next bag that we have here is from my parents. Got me an essential black oversized hoodie. I could live in this forever. Like, this is like the best hoodie that I have received. And then she also got me this essentials shirt in brown, and then they also got me this one but in gray. And then they got me a Lululemon sports bra. So the bra like ends here, but like the rest is like, it feels like a shirt. And then they also got me some teal biker shorts. I'll put a picture of them right here because I've already worn them and they're like dirty. All my gifts, I'm not even joking. It's crazy that I'm here and I'm able to like to be given these gifts, and I'm truly grateful. But my dad and mom got me Gucci perfume, and it's called Gucci Guilty, the Love Edition, and I'll open it for you guys. It's so pretty, but this is what I would expect to smell like. This smells so good. This smells like a woman. And then I also got Marc Jacob Daisy perfume. Look at this. This is gorgeous. It looks like a freaking flower. It's so good. It looks so gorgeous. And it smells so awesome. My mom has one too. Me and my mom have matching one now. We both got one for Christmas. Then I got the long, like the crew white Nike socks because I've been wanting some to put with my leggings and my new Birkenstocks that my mom got me. And they're in this like teal like blue color, and I love them so much, and I've already used them. So if they look dirty, it's because I've already used them. The last thing in this bag is another perfume, and it's Gucci Bamboo. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a diamond, and it smells so good. like a woman fragrance. Like, it smells really strong. I can't stop smelling it. I can't even describe it to you guys, to be honest, because it smells so good. Golden Retriever, Black Cat. Golden Retriever, Black Cat. Dark feminine. Second to last gift is from my parents. They got me a Keurig, and because I'm gonna be a college student and I don't know when I'm gonna go, but they got me a Keurig. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then my dad's his aunt gave me a Barnes & Noble card. So I bought books with that money. But if you guys want to hear about them, it will be in the next upcoming videos. So thank you guys for giving me the money and the Barnes & Noble card. I love the Barnes & Noble card. Went crazy that day. But the last gift, and I'm really appreciative of, is this one. But it's an e-bike. Oh my god. Look at how gorgeous this is. Like, this is gorgeous. It's from Konato. It's a beach style bike. So it has a little basket, a little brown basket. This shows you the level of battery you have on the bike. This is the friction you have on the pedals. This is the engine for the bike, for the light, and then a horn. Then here is where like a basket or another like a second like seat could go for this person right here. But I hope you guys love the video. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys loved today's video because I know I had fun filming it. And I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. And I wish you guys a very happy new year. And I love you guys so much. And bye!
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees.